Hi guys, today we have opted the hike for Trail 3B. This is the outer trail of Trail 3 Islamabad, Margalla Hills National Park. The parking area, and this is the trail. It goes straight to that umbrella point, and you can go up till Monal. This is quite a regular trail frequented by the visitor, and it's a quite a safe trail. Today there was an overcast for rain. There was some few spell of rain showers early in the morning, but at this time the sun is shining, and might be there are some more spells of rain. So I've packed my rain jacket. Hiking season have started. This is quite the good time to do hike, as we have just entered into our summer season in Pakistan. This May, June, July and till August, this is the peak season for hiking.
बट वो बहुत ही होने की कोशिश करता है.
So on trail 3B you would find lesser traffic on the trail. So due to the lesser number of people on this trail, you can enjoy a peaceful hike, and the views of the valley. On the south side of your there is a mountain, and on this side, on the left side, you can view the whole city skyline. Okay guys, the first vantage point of trail 3B is this little seat of a rock, and from this point you can view the whole skyline of Islamabad, the beautiful. There is the Rawal Lake at the back, and the Constitution Avenue, the red zone area, and then we have this side is the Centaurus. Quite a safe trail. The track is quite safe, and you would find very few people on this trail. This is the junction point of trail 3B and 3A. This 3A, the fire line, and I'm coming from this trail 3B. It goes towards that umbrella point. Okay, the trail 3B at the junction point of fire line. You reach this point. You would find a lot of people sitting over here, and it's quite a regular place. You won't find any water stream over here, but locals are distributing water. You can buy, and you would find a prayer mat. From this trail onwards, you can go towards Monal. You can go towards Monal. This is the route that goes towards Monal. This is the Monal track.
किस्मत में मेरी चैन से जीना लिख दे, डूबे न कभी मेरा सफीना लिख दे, ताजदारे हरम ओ निगाहे करम, ताजदारे हरम ओ निगाहे करम, हम गरीबों के दिन भी सवर जाएंगे, ताजदारे हरम, ताजदारे हरम, कोई अपना नहीं गम के मारे हैं हम, कोई अपना नहीं गम के मारे हैं हम, आपके दर पे फरियाद लाए हैं हम, हो निगाहे करम, हो निगाहे करम,
Very nice.
वरना चौखट पे हम क्योंकि आरा के हस्ती बिखर जाएंगे, ताजदारे हरम.
Wow, very nice. Towards trail fire line, and now from this point we are connecting trail 5. After the intense hike you reach this point. Now as there was a weather forecast for rain, so we had an overcast and quite a cloudy evening, so we won't find any sunset over here, but the valley views are so bright, and the color shades, the greens are quite vibrant. I can see the vibrant green colors, the mustards and yellows, and behind me is the Faisal Mosque. You see the Faisal Mosque. I've connected the trail 5, and due to the lesser time in the sunset, I had to quickly complete my hike. I'm returning back to the parking area of Trail 5, and then I'll take my vehicle from Trail 3. So this is the sunset time. Close down the trail. I've reached the parking location and it's almost 8 o'clock.